How to start a home bakery business in California. So if you're looking to create a side business or even a side hustle baking goods like cakes, cupcakes, and cookies, and even more, Cottage Food Laws in California are one of the best in the nation. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to start a bakery business specifically from your home kitchen. Tap into some great legal and tax advantages as well running a home-based food business. We're going to walk you through the permits, licenses, and the types of food you can make and give you a plan on how to do this profitably. So welcome to Cottage Food Laws. My name is Damian Roberti. I am a founder and CEO of Marketing Food Online, Cottage Food Laws, and several other entrepreneur channels here on YouTube. I am actually a food entrepreneur as well. My wife and I have been in the business for 13 years. We have a home-based baking business that we actually sell online, but we are a commercially licensed kitchen. And we do it very, very well. We've done over $1 million on Amazon just alone. So I know exactly what I'm about to tell you, and I can tell you from experience, it can be quite lucrative. It is a lot of work, but you can definitely do it if you want to. So at the heart of starting a home-based baking business in California are its Cottage Food Laws. Now, these laws provide a framework that allows individuals to prepare and sell food products from both their home kitchens and with certain limitations and requirements. Now, familiarize yourself with these laws in this video because I'm going to walk you through little by little. First off, navigating the permits. So Class A or Class B, which one is best? To legally operate your home baking business in California, you'll need to obtain either a Class A permit or a Class B. Now, the distinction between these two permits basically centers on how and what you plan to sell for your baked goods. Class A permit, now this permit is tailored for entrepreneurs who wish to sell directly to customers. Now this could include sales made from home, at local community events, or even farmers markets in the state of California. A significant advantage of the Class A permit is this actually typically does not require a kitchen inspection unless a complaint is filed. Now, the Class B permit, if you opt for this permit, you intend to sell your products both directly to customers and through the third-party retailers. That would be like a cafe or even grocery store. A Class B permit necessary an initial kitchen inspection, though you do have to have a kitchen inspection initially, and periodic checkups to ensure compliance with the health and safety standards. So that is the difference between the Class A and Class B. Class B is a little more expensive as well, but it does open the door for more opportunities, and you do have an inspection. Now, launching a home-based bakery business in California, let's start with the researching and planning development. So number one, research and plan. You want to dive deep into understanding your local market. What kind of baked goods are actually in demand where you live? Believe it or not, it varies from place to place. So you may want to go to some of the farmers markets in local areas. You want to see who is your competition. This research will be instrumental in shaping your business plan, which you'll want to make as well, which should include your business model, your financial projections, and some market strategy as well. Number two, legal formalities. Now you want to register your business name and structure. This could be a sole proprietorship or LLC. Ensure compliance with local zoning laws, which may vary across counties in the state of California. Now, each city and county does have slight variations, so you want to check specifically with yours. Number three is obtaining the required permits. Now, again, as we mentioned in the opening, apply for the appropriate cottage food permit, whichever one you choose. Prepare for the application process because it does have an application by gathering necessary documentation such as recipes, ingredient lists, which may be required for you to be approved. Number four, kitchen preparation. Now, you want to equip your kitchen according to the specifications outlined in California's Cottage Food Laws. Now, this, for example, means that you can't really use commercial equipment. Gigantic mixers, ovens that are commercial ovens and such, that have to have ventilations and vents and hoods and such. Those are things that are made for commercial kitchens. That's not allowed in your home, but there is a lot of kitchen equipment that would definitely help you make process very speedy and fast, and those would be items that you can use. Now, this includes ensuring your proper food storage, preparation areas as well, and sanitation standards have to be met. Number five, product development. So develop a menu of items allowed, of course, under the Cottage Food Laws, but you want to focus on unique variations in it. That's what's going to set you apart. For instance, if you're just going to do cookies, you might want to try to do something that's unique or exotic or incorporate ingredients that are just not everyday items. Always remember, though, high-quality offerings of ingredients to set your business apart will make the difference. Number six, pricing strategy. So determine pricing that covers your cost and allows for a reasonable profit margin. You want to consider factors like, of course, your ingredients, time, packaging, and market rates, meaning what exactly do these types of cookies or baked good items actually sell for. Now, they could be custom cakes, they could be cupcakes. There's hundreds of different variations of items that you can make under the Cottage Food Laws. Number 7, marketing and sales. Now, you want to develop a robust marketing plan. This is really important. Now, you may not be familiar with what a marketing plan is, but this would include presence like on websites, social media, local networking, maybe even on Facebook or Facebook groups. Those are fantastic for local groups and getting your product out there, letting people know where you're going to be. For Class A permit holders, actually focus on direct sales channels, whereas Class B permit holders should establish relationship with local businesses for resale opportunities. So if you have a Class B, you want to go out and kind of shake hands with people who are in restaurants, maybe grocery stores, cafes, coffee shops, etc. Number 8, financial management. So set up a system for managing finances. Now, this includes tracking your expenses, income as well, and even taxes. Consider investing in accounting software or even consulting with a financial advisor and even your accountant. You want to be really sure that you track your money because any type of profits that you do make is going to be considered income. Number 9, continuous compliance. Now, you do want to stay updated, regularly review your operations to ensure ongoing compliance with the cottage food laws in California. And sometimes they do change from time to time, so you want to be on top of that as well. This includes staying updated with any changes in the laws or even health or safety standards that are instituted by the health departments. Number 10, business growth. Lastly, as your business stabilizes and you begin to actually make some money, explore opportunities to grow your business. Now, this might include expanding your product line, scaling up your production, or even transitioning to a commercial kitchen space from your home. So wrapping it up, if you're going to start a home-based bakery business in California, it is a journey filled with some opportunities and, of course, legalities. Be meticulously adhering, though, to the cottage food law and choose the right Class A or Class B permit. You lay a solid foundation for your culinary venture to be prosperous and, of course, profitable. Now, remember, success in this endeavor hinges not just on your baking abilities, but equally your entrepreneur adherence to local and health standards. So, if you're looking to start a home-based bakery business, these are some great foundational tips to help you understand. If you have any questions about this, let us know down in the comments section. Check out the rest of the videos we have here about marketing and promoting and even branding your home-based food business. I'll see you on our next video.